Today we are going to make poke, and the way I do it, it's more of a salad than anything. Very fresh, lots of flavor, and super simple. So let me show you how we put this together. First thing we're going to do, we're going to make our dressing, and pretty much everything that goes into it can go in raw except for the garlic. What I do is I take a tablespoon of olive oil and I put in 1.5 teaspoons of garlic paste, and I just warm it on the stove to remove that harshness. You don't want to sizzle it or burn it, just warm it, cook it just a little bit, and then that's good. Poke traditionally made with tuna. I love throwing in some salmon there. I think the combo of the two is awesome, and the color's really pretty. That's a delicious meal, super light, lots of flavor. Because we use tamari, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, lots of allergy-friendly aspects to this dish. Give it a try. Obviously, there's a lot more stuff that you could add to it, but this is kind of my go-to. I usually have all of this stuff on hand, and so it's easy to throw together. So give it a try. Full recipe linked in the description of this video. Take care.